An insurance company's annual profit is normal with mean 100, variance 400. Let Z be normally distributed with mean 0 and variance 1. So Z is actually the Z score that we know. And let F be the CDF of Z. Determine the probability that the company's profit in a year is at most 60, given that the profit in the year is positive. So let X be the annual profit. And then we have to find probability X is at most 60, which means X is less than or equal to 60, given that X is positive. Which by our basic formula would be probability X less than or equal to 60 and X greater than 0 divided by probability X greater than 0. And now the top can be written as probability X greater than 0 and less than or equal to 60. So it means that we have to find the Z scores of 0 and 60 to translate this into Z, because the big F which we have to use is the CDF of Z. So our basic formula, Z equals X minus mean over standard deviation, X minus 100 over square root of 400, because the variance is given to be 400. So when X is 0, the Z score corresponding to 0 will be 0 minus 100 over 20. Substitute 0 here, so that's negative 5. And for the 60, we get 60 minus 100 by 20, that's negative 2. So X between 0 and 60 means Z between negative 5 and negative 2. And in the bottom, it means Z greater than negative 5, because 0 corresponds to negative 5. So the probability becomes Z between negative 5, negative 2, and Z greater than negative 5. And we know that by symmetry in the normal curve, the probability of being between negative 5 and negative 2 is the same as being between 2 and 5. And similarly, the probability of being greater than negative 5 is the same as being less than 5, all by symmetry of the normal curve. And so Z between 2 and 5 means CDF at 5 minus CDF at 2. And Z less than 5 means CDF at 5. And that was choice E.